Okay, so we are back. Essentially, I wanted to make a quick low-level diagram that essentially depicts what we're going to do today. Part of this video will encompass using Trivy, right? Trivy's pretty well known throughout the industry for supply chain security. They have a full-blown cloud-native application protection platform. Aqua Security is essentially DevSecOps to the max, but they do provide a lot to the community as well, right? Um, like many open source images, right? We're likely pulling from Docker Hub or pulling from our own private registries from images that we built, right, as well. But you want to scan your image to know if there's any underlying dependencies or vulnerabilities that are known to the community as well, right? So this is a part of that CKS area when we're looking at supply chain security. I just wanted to break down some of how you would parse through multiple areas, right? Critical, high. You could also just have that as critical as well, right? But essentially, if you get asked, how many images have a said number of vulnerabilities, right? Now you're going to essentially have to scan, right? It could be in a specific namespace, let's say like prod1 or something like that, something generic, right? So this would be one of those quick tools that you'll already have at your disposal to use, right? And essentially the way it works from this is it pulls from a database down here. It will look in that database essentially for that specific image and any CVEs associated with it. And then you'll get the active output back from that. So for today's goal, we're going to essentially scan three pod, identify that image in the command line, scan those, look at the output, and then delete the pods that are in that threshold of critical or high.